Greetings. This is the demo for Clinical Dashboard, a robust analytics tool designed by Perceptive Analytics for the head doctor of the pulmonary department, aiming at improving care by studying diagnosis patterns, thereby identifying what leads to patient readmissions. This dashboard was built for a client operating a multi specialist hospital. The dashboard empowers pulmonary department heads to transform patient care and surgical outcomes. It helps strategize care by revealing why treatments succeed or fail, unlocking targeted opportunities for improvement. Let's first get a holistic overview of the dashboard. Begin by discovering how surgeries have been performed over the past 12 months and investigate further by surgeries per diagnosis and the readmissions that happened thereafter. Filter by diagnosis to spot success trends by doctor to see who's making most impact. Now, verify further by diving deeper into post surgery insights, track follow up checkups, measure hospital stays, and assess readmission rates. Finally, get to the most granular information by exploring patient records to uncover opportunities for better care. Let's now understand how we can alter the information displayed on the dashboard. Currently, the dashboard displays data from 2022 to 2023, which can further be refined by selecting specific checkup dates using these filters. Further, narrowing by diagnosis determined treatment suggested for patients within a particular age bracket and supervised by a specific doctor. Now that we are well equipped with the dashboards working, let's derive insights from the top KPIs. Out of the 509 patients, 314 were outpatients, indicating most cases were managed without admission. Among the remaining patients, 198 were admitted and nearly half underwent surgery, of which 28 were readmitted, reflecting improved post care assistance. Overall, the success rate is 73.3%, highlighting generally positive outcomes, but that average hides critical fluctuations. Let's begin with the deeper analysis by looking at the success rate curve. One such dip appeared in March 2023, the lowest surgery success rate so far. Let's click on the month of March to further refine our view. Upon looking at the surgeries by diagnosis distribution, it reveals the issue. 4 out of 5 interstitial lung disease surgeries failed, pulling down the overall performance. Filter further by this diagnosis. This leads us to the surgeons involved. Dr. Stephen handled all 4 unsuccessful surgeries. Let's find out the reasons why. Looking at the post surgery insights, we find that all patients under his care had fewer post surgery checkups than the department average, and all 4 were readmitted shortly after surgery. The signals are clear and aligned. Low follow up leads to repeated admissions, hence poor outcomes. Initiate a discussion with Dr. Stephen to understand the reasons behind low follow-up rate and collaborate on steps to improve post-surgical outcomes. With this dashboard, pulmonary head scan identify treatments delivering best results, improve patient treatment for surgery success, and cut patient readmissions with better recovery. We are your data analytics partner. If you need a similar dashboard or any other custom data solution, then get in touch with us today.